Hello guys, welcome back to Vipin Coding. So guys, today we will start a new topic, Python quiz, in which you will learn some questions and you will give your answers in this quiz, right? So if you know your answer, then comment your answer. If you don't know, don't worry, we will give you answer of all the questions and we will start and continue this series for long time. So guys, get started. Our first question is, who developed Python programming language? So our first option is Vic van Rossum, Rasmus Lardorf, Guido van Rossum, and Neen Storm. So guys, hurry up, give your answer in comment section. Otherwise, and I am going to give the answer of this question. So the answer is Guido van Rossum. So guys, who developed this Python programming language? The man who developed is Guido van Rossum. Python language is designed by a Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum in the Netherlands. Next question is, which type of programming does Python support? So guys, pause your video and give your answer in comment section. Our first option is object oriented programming, structured programming. Third one is functional programming, and our last option is all of the above. So guys, give your answer in comment section. Answer of this question is all of the above. Python is an interpreted programming language which supports object-oriented, structured, and functional programming. Okay guys, next one question is Python case sensitive when dealing with identifiers? Your first option is no, Python case sensitive. Python is not case sensitive when dealing with identifiers. Yes, Python case sensitive when dealing with identifiers, machine dependent, and none of the above. So give your answer in comment section. The answer of this question is yes. Case is always significant while dealing with identifiers in Python. So guys, you can also join our Python course to know all details, all concept of Python. So join us on our Udemy platform or you can join us on YouTube for free tutorials. Next one is, which of the following is the correct extension of the Python file? First one is .python, second one is .pl, third one is .py, and fourth option is .p. Give your answer. The answer of this question is .py. .py is the correct extension of the Python file. Python programs can be written in any text editor. To save these programs, we need to save in files with file extension .py. Got it? And our last question of this session Python is Python code compiled or interpreted? So our first option for this question is Python code is both compiled and interpreted. Second option is Python code is neither compiled nor interpreted. Third option is Python code is only compiled. And fourth option, Python code is only interpreted. If you know this answer of this question, then comment fast. And otherwise, I am telling you the answer of this question is Python code is both compiled and interpreted. Many languages have been implemented using both compilers and interpreters. including C, Pascal, and Python. So, guys, this is all about this little video in which you learn some questions of Python, and in our next video we will meet with some more questions. Till then, happy coding, and if you are new here, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.